we just wanted to show you a little bit about what happens at a high school physical exam. Every year around this time, or sometimes in August, thousands of kids go to their schools for these mass physical exams, and we just thought you might want to look into that, get a little behind the scenes action about what's happening with those kids, what we are doing to make sure that they are cleared for sports. Hope you enjoy. So what sport are you doing?
Basketball, volleyball, and track.
Holy cow, 3-sport athlete, sweet. Ever had any injuries, problems?
Just ankles.
Ankles, okay.
Yeah, I've sprained both of them.
Okay, all right. Any instability, or have you pretty much recovered from that?
Pretty much recovered, yeah.
Okay, so it doesn't get in the way of you playing currently. And any heart problems in the past? Ever? Nothing like that? No murmurs that you know of? Any chest pain while running? Difficult?
I have allergen-engaged asthma.
Okay, so you do have some asthma.
But
Do you
like
use an inhaler or something?
Only when I need it. It's just like rare.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So most of the time you're doing all right. You don't need the. Okay. It's never gotten in the way. You've never passed out.
No.
Never had any. Okay. Perfect. Very good. And I'm just going to feel your neck here for any swollen glands. Very good. And we'll take a listen to your heart. And this is the most important part. So we're listening for any murmurs, weird beats. Most important is a murmur, an undetected murmur. So we'll take a listen here. Some big, deep breaths here. There you go. And again. Very good. Yeah, it all sounds perfect. No wheezing at all, so your asthma must be pretty mild. Any issues along the back? Any pain when I kind of bang on your back here? No?
Nope.
All right, I'm going to have you lay down. We're going to check out your tummy. So yeah, I know that's not the best exam table. Now you want to take a listen to the heart when they're laying down too, because some murmurs are not detectable unless they're laying down when there's increased pressure. So we'll take a listen again. Yeah, and it sounds perfect. Then we'll check the abdomen. We're checking for any enlargement of the spleen or the liver. And we don't feel any of that. You're probably ticklish, and this is, yeah. All right, sit on up. Kick your legs over. We'll check your reflexes real quick. Woohoo! All right, and we'll do a quick check of your ankles since you said you had some issues. Just check for stability here. Yeah, actually pretty good. You've done both of them?
Yeah.
Rolled them both. Yeah, and then we'll check for pulses to make sure we got good blood flow down here, and you got good pulse on that side. A good pulse on this side. Woo. I'll have you hop off the table there. Now we got to check the knees. The knees are actually the most important. We check for an ACL tear, and a very sensitive test for that is the duck walk. Back. Perfect. This is the only part that's different from the female exam, because men are 10 times more likely to get hernias. Turn your head and cough. Same on this side. And quick check of the boys.
I think so.
Perfect.
That's what the pre-participation physical is for the high school students that we do every year at Placer High School. Not only us from the Auburn Medical Group, Dr. Gawayne Vaughan, Dr. Mark Vaughan, myself, but also other people from the community. We've got Dr. Hill from Hill Chiropractic here. We have other people who are participating. Dr. Kirby always does it every year. We should probably put him on too. And
Yeah.
okay,
Yeah.
he's coming
Yeah.
over. He actually, okay, get this. He is the mayor of Auburn right now, and he is missing a council meeting to do this, to do the physical. Come over here, Bill. Dr. Kirby has been doing this for how many years?
36 years.
36 years he's been doing physicals here at Placer High School every year for the kids coming up the next year to do sports. So don't be afraid if you're a high school student or if you're a parent of a high school student. You're in good hands. We'll take good care of them. We'll get them cleared for sports. And
We all went through it. I survived.
I did some of the coaches that are here now. I did them when they were students here.
He actually did mine when I was a student here.
He does my kids too. All right. So thanks for joining us. Until next time, this is Dr. Kirby and Dr. Vaughan telling you to stay in good health.
Absolutely.
Thank you.
Thanks.